Hi kids, it's Teacher Patty with my special assistant,
Theia.
and we want to read you another one of our favorite books.
Interstellar Cinderella.
And Deborah Underwood wrote all the words. She's the author. And Meg Hunt drew all the pictures as the illustrator. There we go. And I love this page because it has all sorts of different tools on it. Plasma pump, galactic goggles, micro pliers. Very cool. Here we go. Once upon a planetoid, amid her tools and sprockets, a girl named Cinderella dreamed of fixing fancy rockets. She fixed the robot dishwashers and zoom brooms in her care, but late each night she snuck away to study ship repair. Do you know what I'm noticing about this book, Theia? It has lots of rhyming words. One day, her wicked stepsisters came dashing in, excited.
The Princess Royal Space Parade. Our family's invited.
I wish you could come, my dear. Alas, no room, although. Why don't you fix that broken ship and fly it to the show?
Theia, who do you think that character is?
The mom.
The stepmom, yeah.
My toolbox! I can do it. My toolbox, screamed Cinderella.
We're stranded here, I guess. But Murgatroyd, the mouse, sent out a cosmic SOS. Whoa, look who's on this page. I'm here, your fairy god robot. I'll make you brand new tools. You'll need a spacesuit too, of course, atomic blue with jewels. This power gem will speed your ship across the starry sky. It only lasts till midnight. After that, your ship won't fly. Oh, thank you, Cinderella said. She quickly fixed the rocket, then tucked the sonic socket wrench inside her spacesuit
pocket.
Whoa, look at this page. She zoomed past stars and nebula and parked beside a moon. The space parade was glorious. Each starship made her swoon. At last the royal ship approached. Her heart was filled with yearning. The ship of Cinderella's dreams, but heavens, what was? Burning. Uh-oh. Theia, what's burning in the picture?
Her ship.
I think it might be the prince's ship. We'll have to see. The prince's spaceship jerked and hissed and spewed a cloud of grit. The prince hopped out.
Oh, blast, what now? My chief mechanic?
Do you know?
Ship.
Quit. But Interstellar Cinderella knew just what to do. She zip-zapped with her socket wrench. The ship was good as
new.
The prince invited her aboard. Last stop, Galactic Hall. He said,
I hope you'll join me for the gravity-free ball.
They talked for hours of rocket ships. The time went whizzing by. Then Cinderella saw the clock and said, I have to fly.
But wait,
The prince called after her.
please tell me how to find.
The girl was gone, but she had left the socket wrench behind. The prince sent a transmission to the farthest edge of space.
I'll search the cosmos for her. How I wish I'd seen her face.
The prince's ship! Grisella screeched. Her sisters squealed in fear. The prince won't marry one of us if Cinderella's here.
Their mother said,
Don't worry, he won't find her in this house.
I've trapped her in the attic with that useless robot
mouse.
The prince's cargo door revealed a broken craft within.
The girl I seek can fix a ship, so who would like to begin?
Ooh, does it look like the sisters and the mom think they can fix the spaceship?
I think so.
Let's see.
I know.
He gave the sonic socket wrench to one, then to the other. Alas, they couldn't fix the ship, and neither could their mother. Cinderella struggled, but the space rope held her tight, till Megatroid's robotic teeth cut through with one bite. The ship it's leaving, wait, what's this? She made a fast repair, then strapped the rusty jetpack on and blasted through the
Air.
She landed right beside the prince. That wrench is mine, she cried. She quickly fixed the ailing ship. The prince said,
Be my bride.
She thought this over carefully. Her family watched in panic. I'm far too young for marriage, but I'll be your chief mechanic. Amid her fleet of sparkling ships and friends both old and new, a joyful Cinderella cried, My stars, dreams do come true. The end. Now, Thea and I did a fun project together inspired by all of the interesting tools in gizmos and gadgets in the story. We used all sorts of recycled materials like, what's this, Thea?
A toilet paper roll. A milk bottle cap.
And one of these things. Do you remember what this is? It's from it's what contact kind of case holder. And then lots and lots of tape. And it's really nice because this is craft tape, so it was really easy for you to tear on your own.
And
Now,
rubber bands.
okay, do you want to show off your creation? I like to call it, oh, wrong way, sorry. Here, let's bring it back this way, come here. I called it a gizmo. I don't know, what did you want to call it, Thea?
Wave shooter.
A wave shooter, and you can tell we used lots of tape, and we used 3 toilet paper tubes, and one of the contact cases, and a wine cork. And where did we get all these materials from, Thea? Do you know? So, parent note. I have a reusable grocery bag that I have just been storing interesting recycled materials in after they've been cleaned or removed, have all the toilet paper removed. And then when we want to do a project, all I have to do is grab the grocery bag out and we can kind of look through and dig in. And it's a wonderful way to have tons of great art materials that are free and easy to get. Right, Thea?
I put some milk bottle caps in here.
There's milk bottle caps in there too. All right, friends, well, I can't wait to see what sort of cool recycled gizmos and gadgets you will make on your own. And hopefully I'll see you soon, and I miss you so much. Bye. Want to say goodbye, Thea?
Bye.